everybody, today we're going to talk about Norfolk Island Pine care. So these come from a little island off the coast of Australia, and fun fact about these is they are not a true pine, so don't plant them outside, they won't survive our winters. When it comes to light, they do best with bright direct sun. So if you have a south or a west facing window where it will get a few hours of direct sun, that would be best. When it comes to watering, they would like to dry down about a third of the way. So go ahead, poke your finger in there, pull it out. If you feel any moisture, go ahead and let it dry out a couple more days. These do thrive with about 50% humidity or more. So if you're finding that you're getting brown tips on the ends of your fronds, go ahead and add a humidity tray. You could get a plate, fill it with pea gravel, and add about an inch or two of water, being sure that the water isn't being absorbed by the bottom of your pot. You don't want the plant to keep absorbing that water, it could cause root rot. When it comes to fertilizer, these do best with mere acid from about March through October, which is their growing period. And just keep in mind that these are toxic to pets.